Question number 1. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the protection of life and personal liberty? Correct option is C. Article 21. Question number 2. Which economic term refers to a situation where a country export equal its import? Correct option is B. Balance of trade. Question number 3. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize in Economics? Right option is B. Amartya Sen. Question number 4. What is the name of the Indian government's flagship program aimed to promoting digital payments? Correct option is C. BHIM. Question number 5. Who is the chairman of the 15th Finance Commission of India? The right option is B. N.K. Singh. Question number 6. Which ancient Indian scripture is considered one of the oldest and most sacred Hindu texts? Correct option is C. Rigveda. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty of Indian citizens? The right option is C. To participate in elections. Question number 8. What is the name of ISRO's mission to Mars? The right option is C. Mangalyaan. Question number 9. What is the name of the Indian Navy's indigenous steel frigate? Correct option is B. INS Shivalik. Question number 10. Which committee recommended the implementation of GST in India? The right option is D. Kelkar Committee. Question number 11. Who was the founder of the Pala Empire? Correct option is C. Gopala. Question number 12. Who is the author of the book The Argumentative Indian? Correct option is B. Amartya Sen. Question number 13. Which award was given to Vishwamohan Bhatt in 1994 for Rudra Veena? Correct option is B. Grammy Award. Question number 14. In which year was Project Tiger launched in India? Correct option is A. 1973. Question number 15. Which article of the Indian Constitution empowers the Supreme Court to issue writs? Correct option is B. Article 32. Question number 16. Who was awarded the Bharat Ratna along with Bismillah Khan in 2001? Correct option is B. Lata Mangeshkar. Question number 17. What was the weight of Vikram lander in Chandrayaan 3? Correct option is C. 1752 kg. Question number 18. Who is the Minister of Science and Technology in India? Correct option is D. Dr. Jitendra Singh. Question number 19. Who was declared Time Magazine Person of the Year 2021? Correct option is C. Elon Musk. Question number 20. Democracy is the government of the people, by the people, for the people. Who said this? Correct option is B. Abraham Lincoln. Question number 21. Where is the headquarters of NATO located? Correct option is B. Brussels. Question number 22. What is the tenure of judges of the International Court of Justice? Right option is C, 9 years. Question number 23. Kuchipudi is the dance form of which Indian state? Correct option is C, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 24. The most devastating of famine in India was the Bengal famine. In which year did it occur? Correct option is A, 1943.